Hello, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. I want to show you my new kit. It's in my Etsy shop already. It's called Forget Me Not, and this one is the Ephemera pack. So that bundle was so big I couldn't put it into one single listing in Etsy. It was just too big, so I had to divide it. So this is just the Ephemera pack. If you want the papers that goes with it, you would need to buy the other pack, which is a great deal anyway, because they're both two big packs and you have lots and lots to create many and many different journals with it. So you have that little girl that I created a bunch of ephemeras. When you have a page like that, you can use it as a flip on the side, but you can fold it into two and create a booklet. So that would be the cover. You have a tag, another kind of tag ephemera, and you have the smaller version as well, which is great when you want to just decorate a page. Then you have some portions of the pages that I liked. So they print already smaller for you, the design, so it's great. You have some labels where the color matches, and the key in that kit, Forget Me Not, it's that those flowers, they're called Forget Me Not flowers, and so you have those flowers everywhere. Those vintage ladies, they have the flowers in their hands and the basket. You have that gorgeous lady here. She has the Forget-Me-Not flowers on her hat, different backgrounds, so you can use them. That cute cup, teacup, has the flowers. You have tags and labels. You have those gorgeous birds, which has the Forget-Me-Not flowers as well. I made little I always place my items and then I fill the spots. So you have a full printed page with labels and miniatures, so you can use in your pages. That's how I work. So you don't print blanks. So lots of labels. I love to use labels. So lots of labels. These are bookmarks, but they can be used as belly bands. They can be used as on the side of the smaller journals, maybe not a full-size journal, but to do pockets on the side. This is a page with a little boy. I just found we always have girls, but this one I found that graphic, and I modified the flowers so it matches the kit. So you can do those too. You could do a booklet cover, or you use them as postcards, and that page can be printed at 80%, 70%, so you would have a reduced size of those two pages to fit your needs. These are mini pages that you have in the real kit, so you have them in miniature to create ephemeras or booklet covers. You have postcards with different backgrounds. I couldn't pick which one I liked, so one has the flowers, but the others I tend to prefer without the flowers, but I change the inside, and I couldn't decide which one was the best, so I included them all. You have lace holders, so don't forget you print on the other side, and you use a cardstock that is Effie, and then you can wrap around some laces samples, and it's really neat to decorate your pages. I find sometimes I feel like this is too dark, which is not too dark. It depends what you're doing and which kind of journal you're making. So I provide a softer version, like a lighter version of the lace holders. Now you have backing pages. So you have those two pages. One are miniatures of the pages from the kit that are mostly backgrounds, and they would be perfect to print at the back of the postcards. So you can see they are bigger than the postcards. So literally when you print them, it covers the postcard and you have a backing with either that or those. That page can be used as is, but can be used for the backing, let's say, of those lace holder, so you have lines for journaling. And now you have envelopes. So you have 4 envelopes, the darker version and the lighter version of that, just coffee stain with doily, paper doilies print that you see on it, and blue with little flowers. And you have the full versions as well, so you can print a bigger envelope. So you have those four versions. All right, so that's the kit. If you liked it, it's available in my shop, and I can't wait to see if some people will do projects with it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.